Good day, my friends. Today we are going to cook some long beans. There are many ways of cooking this, but we are now going to do a stir fry. So we bunch a few long beans together, and when we have done that, we are going to cut the end, which is hard part, and then we cut them into smaller pieces. That is how long you want them. It's up to you. And we try to get them the same size so that they cook at the same time. So this is the size that I like to have them, almost same size as ordinary green bean. So I've done this first bunch, and I'm going to do the rest of the beans off the camera and come back to you when that is done. Now, as you can see, I've done all the beans. They're all ready, and I've washed them and put them in the strainer so that they dry out. Now we need some green onions. What we need to do is to cut the roots off, and then line them together and start cutting from one end. You get small circles. Be cut up to the hollow part of the green onion. So I'm going to put that aside. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. We are going to use a quarter of a cup of a light soy sauce. And we add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and mix the cornstarch with the soy sauce and wait till it dissolves. Now we add the green onion, for this dish we also need chopped garlic, fresh garlic, and ginger paste that we will use later on. Now I'm adding a little bit of water. You don't have to do this if you like it a bit thicker. Now we put the wok on a stove. You can use a frying pan if you like, but wok makes it easier to move the beans around. Now I add some olive oil. You can use any cooking oil you like, and then I add the chopped garlics, and move them around to get them a little roasted. Now we will add the beans. And I will add some sesame seed oil for the flavor. And then shovel the beans around. Try to mix the garlic and beans. Now we put the lid on and wait about 5 to 10 minutes to have the beans cooked inside. Now I'm adding a little bit of rice wine. You can add either rice wine or white cooking wine, and it's up to you whether you want to use alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Now I'm adding some pepper, and the ginger paste. And then move them around to mix. Put the lid back again and wait another 5 to 10 minutes. Now we move them around again and add the sauce. Now we mix them. If you want it a bit drier, you don't have to add water to the sauce. Just use the soy sauce. Now I'm tasting to see if the bean is cooked. Now it's fine, so I'm transferring it into a serving dish and put some roasted garlic and pepper on top as garnish, and it's ready. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.